What's going on, guys? Instagram here, man, and today I am gonna be making a return of the reaction videos, man. But before I even get into the reaction, man, I wanna go over a few things with y'all, man, because it's been a minute since I uploaded. And for all the loyal subs that wanna listen, go ahead, stick around for this part. Other people that just want to get straight to the reaction, y'all can skip ahead, do it all, whatever y'all want to, man. But for all my loyal subs, man, first off, I want to say, man, this hairstyle, this new method that I'm doing, man, I'm telling y'all, one of my subscribers hit the nail on the head, man. They was reading my mind, really, because I was thinking, like, man, the curls, it looks natural. It doesn't look like it was what's it called? It doesn't look like it was dang, what am I trying to say? Manipulated, you know what I'm saying? It just looks natural. And the subscriber, he was like, the curls look natural and stuff like that. And I was like, you know what, you right, man. So yeah, man, I'm loving this look. For one, if y'all haven't seen that video, it's one of my newest ones called New Twist Out Method. Go watch it if you have not, man. That is a very nice video, and it could also help you guys out who are having troubles getting your twist outs good and all that good stuff. But first off, man, I want to say, do you guys want me to, well, on one of my older videos, I asked y'all, did y'all want me to start doing reactions again? And I think it's like 87% of y'all was like, yes. So a lot of y'all, I knew a lot of y'all liked the reactions, but I was doing so many that I kind of stopped doing like my own regular type of videos and jump. But yeah, so, but I want to get back into the reactions. And I want you guys in the comment section, or just on Twitter, or not Twitter, because nobody follows me on Twitter, man, but on Snap or whatever, on the comment sections, all that good stuff. Tell me some videos y'all want to see me react to, man, because like I said, I don't really watch hair videos unless I'm only subscribed to 2 hair YouTubers, man, and that's my boy Nate and Sheldon, man, and that's it. So other than that, man, I don't really be looking at hair videos like that. But name some, or send me some videos, man, that y'all want me to react to in the future, and I'll do that. And also, I want to say, do you guys want me to start uploading more like daily, like how I kind of used to, or are y'all fine with just me uploading every kind of couple of days, but every time I upload, it's a banger, you know what I'm saying? Because when I was uploading daily, it was mainly like reaction videos and just like random little videos. But now I feel like every time I upload, it's a upload that has meaning, you know what I'm saying? So do y'all want me to try to upload daily and just have like reactions and then like banger videos, or do y'all want me to just take my time with the videos and just every time I upload, it'd be a banger, you know what I'm saying? So let me know those 2 things in the comments. Send me video suggestions, and also, do you guys want me to upload daily, or do y'all want me to upload just the bangers? And another thing, man, y'all follow me on Snapchat, because I'm really about to be doing a giveaway, man. I know I said I was gonna do a giveaway a long time ago, but I wanna get more active on Snapchat and on IG. I've been trying to be a little bit more active on IG, posting like stories and stuff like that. I don't really post too many pictures just because I don't really get dressed that often, because I don't really be going nowhere. But I try to post on my story, and I'm on Snapchat like 98% of the time. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on Snapchat really soon. Like, I'm not lying to y'all, I promise y'all, pinky promise. Put your pinky up to the screen right now, pinky promise. I'm gonna be doing that jump. So y'all follow me on Snapchat. My social media is always at the bottom of the screen, man, at the beginning of my videos. I may leave it throughout the whole video, but be sure to follow me on Snapchat, please, y'all. Y'all low-key, my Snapchat is like the most popping thing that I have. Like, people follow me on IG, they don't really follow me that much like they do on Snap, but they still be messing with me a little bit on IG and on Twitter. That junk is just, nobody follows me on there. But anyways, make sure y'all follow me on Snapchat, man, and on IG, because I'm gonna be doing the giveaway on Snapchat. So make sure y'all do that. So yeah, without further ado, man, that's all I want to go over at the beginning of this video. But let's get straight into the reaction, man. This video is by Alex915. I reacted to one of his videos before, I believe, or I don't believe, I know. But this video is called How to Style Black Man Hair Bun, and now cutting my hair. And in this video, I think he was cutting his own hair, man. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, But y'all know how I feel about cutting your own hair, man. That is a negative. But we gonna hurry up and get through this video because my camera low-key about to die. So we gonna dive straight in, man. No more talking. Y'all know why I said it like that.
Okay, for real, I don't know what's up with the side. It's over here looking kind of blotchy, but bruh, oh my god.
Bruh.
I think I just fucked up my hairline.
Bruh. That's why I don't. What is going on with the memory card, bruh? I hate the external drive, bro. On God, that's why I don't be up with it.
What's good, YouTube? Alex in the cam. Back here with another video, guys. Today we got another lit video for you guys. We got another lit one. Gang, gang, gang. Shit, yeah. What's good, YouTube? How you guys doing today? And I have a little crest on my lip. What's good, guys? How you guys doing today?
That man Alex low key
doing fantastic, guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how I get the fresh cut, the man bun, the curls, all that stuff. Okay.
This man got waves with long hair. That's tough.
Black men hair bun routine. What? This is the updated curly hair.
Wait, is it black?
Black men hair bun routine. Bro, what are you talking about, man? I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, but I just want y'all to stick around, stay tuned, because it's gonna help a lot of y'all that are looking busted.
That man Alex low-key moved to Georgia recently too. I don't know. May have to link up with that man, you know.
I get this look. You guys stick around, watch the whole video, because I'll be showing you guys how I just did my hair. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what to do. I love y'all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's help some people out. Share the video.
All right.
Let's go.
Come on.
Waiting for this hair tutorial for the longest, so you know what? I'm gonna bring it to you. I will be showing you guys how I cut my hair, how I get it in a gelled man bun, and how I just gel my hair in general, okay?
That man be put in
I'm gonna try to speed it up
a whole bunch of gel in his hair.
Keep up with me, okay? The first thing I do, I start off with the sides of my hair, okay? So what I do is get my hair clippers and get my hair liner, and I just shave that bitch, you feel me? I only use one guard, okay?
I don't know nothing about cutting hair. I am not a barber.
You feel me? I needed a quick pair of clippers. These were like only like 25, 30 bucks, you feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that size right there, but if you guys can pause the video or do whatever, I use a 1/16 hair guard. So brush every little thing down. Every little.
I don't know nothing about cutting hair. Nothing. Never will I attempt to cut my own hair. That's asking to push your hairline back.
Leg it into the cut.
That's asking to mess your hair up, cutting your own hair, bruh. Kudos to y'all that know how to do that jump, but me personally, that joker going crazy. He could at least put on a little thing or something. All the hair just getting on that man. He low-key saucing it up though.
Alright y'all, so this is when it gets kind of to the end of me cutting my hair. I like to
it's a little uneven right there, low-key.
Just so I can make sure everything is on point.
It's a little choppy right there.
I know right now it's looking kind of patchy and
yeah, I'm about to say it's a little choppy right there, big
man. Where it needs to be again.
Gotta smooth that up a little bit. Nah, it's looking. Let's see, let's skip a little bit.
I'm about to line up my hair. A lot of y'all don't see me line up my hair. I'm about to line up my shit. Let's do that, bruh, and let's fast for that shit.
Bruh, this is the scariest part right here. Trying to line up your own hair, bruh. Your hairline is off. Well, I feel like it may be a little easier because he got a tapered hairline. Bro, I ain't trying to hear no clippers going off the whole time, bro. Nah, I ain't gonna lie to you. But this is probably the scariest part of the whole process, bro. Cause
nigga, damn.
That John do look kind of crispy. What is this, man? That John do look kind of crispy. I ain't gonna lie, but that's probably the scariest part because it's just one mistake, bro. One mistake and your hairline is all the way back.
Okay, for real, what's up with the side? It's over here looking kind of blotchy, but
Damn it.
oh my god. I think I just fucked up my hairline. But you know what? Yeah, I kind of fixed it too, but you know what? Fuck it, you know? Somewhat of a fail. We're just gonna stop recording here. Get my bloody ass in the
That joker said I'm gonna stop
okay,
the right side, or is that the
each
left
side
side?
is looking pretty icy.
The left side look pretty good. The right side is kind
Did
of
my hair.
curved.
I told you I said I shaved the sides of my hair. Now I'm gonna get in the shower, wash off all this hair, and show you guys how I get the curls popping or the man bun, whatever you guys want to see. I'm gonna give it to y'all, okay? I'll be back in 2 freaking seconds. Less than that, bro. Like, okay, y'all. So I just hopped out the shower.
Alright, let's see.
I'm over here looking like a Frenchman. So, anyways, y'all, my hair right now is dripping wet, which I love. Now, as you guys can see, my natural hair pattern. You feel me? The longer my hair gets,
that man Alex got like about, like I say, he got like a 4. I mean, not a 4, but like a 3C, 4-8 curl type.
I get my bun, but I did want to show all the people that are watching this right now my natural hair state. Any type of curls, you feel me? They gonna drop. You feel me? They gonna do its thing. You feel me? Look at the fresh cut. It's looking good, right? Right? Take some tips. Let me get dressed, guys.
That junkie, yes, he did do a pretty decent job, though. I can't lie. My haircut's still looking kind of fresh, maybe a little bit. Don't judge me too much. I got some of that. My friend suggested it to me. Yeah, I got some.
I already put like a little dot in my hand. You feel me?
A little dot.
Get a lot later, okay?
That was like more than a little dot.
So what I do is I usually put this little light conditioner in my hair, just like this, okay? Just so the hair can be coated with something healthy and moisturized, you feel me? And look at the hair, guys. Look at the hair. It's just loose. Look, I can rub my hands through it without a problem. Without a problem, you feel me? That's why I do this, okay? So after I'm done with doing all that, I actually put it in a bun now. This is what I do.
Let's see how this man.
Bitch, in the most tightest, neatest bun.
That is stretching the mess out of it.
See, look, I do this.
That man hair pretty long, but at the same time, his hair, I believe I have a little bit more on the sides than John. His is a little higher, like his taper in John, so it's easier to pull it back. Like since I've trimmed my hair, I can put it in a bun, but it's not as
This is the gel that I use. A lot of people be asking, yo, Alex, what gel do you use? How do you get your hair so curly, or how do you get your bun looking so sleek? Boom.
Sleek. It's not as I don't know. It's not like how it used to be, where I had like a whole bunch of hair that was long, but it's still a pretty decent bun. This man doing the most, bro.
A little bit at a time, okay? And then I put it on that.
Low key, that's a good idea, man. I never tried that, but next time I'm gonna do my bun, low key, I may have to.
That's simple.
I may have to do that, John, honestly, cause
I'm gonna fast forward up so I can be done with this video, just so I can show you guys the end product. But let me get this done, and I'll be right back.
And he got waves.
Okay. Okay, y'all. So this is the final product of my hair. Okay. So getting to the point, we're trying to get some good lighting here, but
That John look crispy.
This is vlog style.
That John actually kind of fun.
So this is my hair, guys. This is the final product of.
Bro, I may do this hairstyle.
You feel me?
Comment below if y'all want to see me do this hairstyle, bro.
I always like doing my own hair. I've gotten a lot better. Okay, so
I do have a little bit of eco style. I got a lot of eco style because I don't like using it.
Man, hair bun type stuff. Let me know in the comment section down below. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching this video. If it helped you at all, smash that like button, okay? Also, hit me up on all my social medias, Instagram and Twitter, boy. I be on things all the time. But anyways, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video was highly requested. It needed to be done, so I did it for y'all, okay? But I love y'all so much. I'm out of this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys turn on your notifications so you guys will never miss a video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Join the crew. You already know what it do, baby. Boom.
Alright, this video over with. But let me like this video. I like this. This was a very, I didn't know what to expect, but that's a good hairstyle, man. It actually look pretty good. I have a lot of eco styler just because, as I said before, I don't really like using it. Like every time I try to style my hair with it, it just don't come out right. But the way he used it, he kind of like gelled it down, kind of like how females use eco styler to like gel their edges down or whatever. He kind of gelled his hair down, and that's, I honestly, I want to try this technique. For some reason, I just have the urge to do this now. So my next video, I may be doing this hairstyle. So let me know in the comment section if y'all want to see me do the updated hair bun style. I haven't done one in a minute, or I haven't done one since I trimmed my hair. So I feel like that'll be a pretty good video actually, man. So this man Alex just gave me a good idea, man. So appreciate him for that. But if y'all enjoyed this video, man, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Do all the things that I told y'all to do at the beginning of the video. And I'm out, man. Peace.
Elijah, I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Fully presidential, perfect timing. Every nigga that's around me really grinding. You know I ain't lying. That's why we shining. That's why we shining.